If your Windows 11 computer is acting strange, apps are crashing, or you're getting random system errors, you might have corrupted system files. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to fix corrupted files on Windows 11, and it's actually very easy. Let's start. First, click on the Start menu dot in the search bar, type Command Prompt. When it appears, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is very important, because the repair commands need admin permission. If a user account control window appears, click Yes. Now that the Command Prompt window is open, we're going to run the first repair scan. Type the following command. Then press Enter. This command runs the System File Checker, a built-in Windows tool that scans your system for corrupted files and automatically repairs them. The scan may take several minutes, so be patient and let it reach 100%. If Windows finds and repairs corrupted files, it will show a message confirming that the process was successful. Once the scan is complete, I recommend running a second command to make sure everything is fully repaired. In the same command prompt window, type. Then press Enter. This command uses the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool to repair deeper system image issues in Windows 11. Again, wait for the process to complete. It may take a few minutes. After both scans finish, restart your computer. And that's it. In most cases. This will fix corrupted system files and improve your system's stability and performance. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 fixes and tips.